Welcome to this tutorial on how to enhance your privacy on LinkedIn by hiding your email address from public view. In today's digital age, maintaining control over your personal information is more important than ever. LinkedIn, being a professional networking platform, offers various settings to customize who can see your email address. Let's walk through the steps to ensure your email remains private. First, open LinkedIn.com on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of features and updates tailored to your professional network. At the top right corner of the page, you'll notice a small icon labeled Me. Click on this icon to access your profile settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section allows you to manage various aspects of your LinkedIn profile, including visibility and data sharing. On the left sidebar, you'll see several options. Click on Visibility. This tab is crucial for controlling who can see different parts of your profile. Under the Visibility of your Profile and Network section, look for the option that says Who can see or download your email address. Click on this to adjust your email visibility settings. Here, you have 4 options to choose from: Everyone on LinkedIn, First and Second Degree Connections, First Degree Connections, and Only Visible to Me. For maximum privacy, select Only Visible to Me. By choosing this setting, you ensure that no one except you can see your email address on LinkedIn. This is particularly useful if you prefer to keep a low profile or avoid unwanted contact. Once you've made your selection, click Save Changes to update your settings. With these simple steps, you've successfully protected your email address from being visible to others on LinkedIn. This not only enhances your privacy, but also helps you manage who can contact you directly. Remember, maintaining control over your personal data is essential in today's digital landscape, and LinkedIn provides you with the tools to do so effectively. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in securing your LinkedIn profile.